So if your paddle keeps slipping out, what you want to do is open it up, and then what you got to do is keep twisting it and turning it. So we turn it one way, see, that way, see, until it starts to close in the middle, right? And then it's a little bit tricky, but totally doable, see? And then now, to undo it, you can just do it that way, see? And then to redo it, just hold it down, see, let it slide down and around, see? And that's pretty tight. Then when you close it, if it's too hard to close, undo it, all right? Because you need that pressure build up. So then the other way would be to open it, okay? See? Voila. Keep turning it till it opens. I think this one should do the trick right about there, and it's too loose. Okay, maybe one more, and then voila. And then now it won't come out until you pull it out. Hopefully there's no sand trapped in there, because then you need two people to help pull. And that's pretty much it. Kinda neat, huh? Gotta love it. I hope this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below. Or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time.